hello lovelies and welcome back. Alright, I'm going to try and get as much baking over and done with as I can before summer hits and I cannot bake. Today we are making white chocolate scones. First thing we need to do is preheat our ovens at 220 degrees Celsius. We need to get out a tray with some baking paper. I will write the recipe below as always. Okay, in a large bowl we need 3.5 cups of self-raising flour sifted. We need 100 grams of white chocolate chopped up small, which equals 1 cup of white chocolate chopped. Mix that through. Make a hole in the middle. Now we want to add 1 cup of lemonade, 1 cup of your normal average thickened cream. Now with a knife we want to chop all the flour through the liquid. Once we've chopped it through to one sticky lump and there's no dry stuff on the bottom, we want to grab some plain flour, sprinkle it on the surface, scrape our big lump of mess out onto it. Alright, sprinkle some plain flour over the top. Now what we want to do now is we just want to get it to be able to shape it. We don't want to, you know, like knead the crap out of it or anything. So just roll it in the flour. Squash it out with your hands. About 2.5 centimetres this time. So what are we looking at? 5 centimetres, so 2.5. Okay, once we've done that, this time we need a 6.5 centimetre cutter, or as close to it as you can get. So 6.5 centimetres across here. Start cutting them out and chucking them on our tray. With this mix, you might just have to rub your cutter in a little bit of flour every now and again. Once you've done that, roll it all back up without having to knead it very much at all, just enough to get it into one hole again, like so. Pat it out and keep going. When we put them all on the tray, we'll make sure they're all touching, and it made 15. Now we just need a tiny little bit of extra cream in a little bowl or your measuring cup. And with a pastry brush or your fingertips, you want to just rub some cream over the top of them. Now these are definites to have with jam and cream. That's what they're all about. So while they're in the oven, I'm going to whip up just some plain cream. Get out all the different jams. Now we want to bang them in our nice hot oven till they're beautiful and brown on top. Oh my God, mate, it smells amazing in here. 18 minutes later in my electric oven. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh. Grab a little strainer. Dust some icing sugar over the top. Let's open one of these babies. Serve them nice and warm with jam and cream. Oh, look at that chocolate in there. These are the best sweet scones ever. You are going to absolutely love these. You absolutely have to give them a crack. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day and I'll see you soon. Toodles!